DoNotPay consumer legal rights pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get frustrated navigating consumer rights issues, but the surprising truth is that DoNotPay provides AI-driven legal assistance at an affordable subscription. DoNotPay pricing starts at per month, giving access to AI-powered tools that handle issues like disputing bills, fighting parking or traffic tickets, requesting refunds, cancelling subscriptions, and drafting legal letters. The platform simplifies legal tasks that usually require hours or expensive attorney consultations. For example, if you receive an unfair utility bill, DoNotPay can generate a dispute letter, provide step-by-step guidance, and even automate submissions when allowed. The AI handles repetitive tasks efficiently, saving both time and potential legal fees. Most people get this wrong by thinking AI services are unreliable, but DoNotPay combines technology with real legal guidance and verified templates to ensure accuracy. Users report significant time and cost savings while resolving issues that would otherwise be stressful. In conclusion, DoNotPay consumer legal rights services offer excellent value. Affordable, fast and efficient, it empowers consumers to protect their rights without needing a lawyer for every small dispute.